The Tieplis Frying Pans Nonstick Skillet 3-piece set is like having a trio of trusty sidekicks in your kitchen. These fry pans come in 8, 9.5, and 11-inch sizes, so you always have the right pan for the job. Whether you are making a single egg or a big family breakfast, the nonstick coating is like a superhero for cooking. Food slides right off, and cleanup is a breeze. You won't spend your precious time scraping burnt bits. These Tieplis Frying Pans Nonstick Skillet are PFOA-free. This means they are made without harmful chemicals. The Stay Cool handles are a thoughtful touch. They remain comfortable to hold, even when the pan is hot. This is a great feature for busy cooks. Plus, these fry pans work on induction stovetops. You can even put them in the dishwasher after you are done cooking. This makes life in the kitchen simpler and easier. If you are looking for reliable nonstick fry pans, the Tieplis Frying Pans Nonstick Skillet 3-piece set is a solid choice. They offer different sizes for various cooking needs. The easy-to-clean surface saves you time and effort. The Stay Cool handles add a layer of safety. These fry pans are also induction and dishwasher safe. They are a practical addition to any countertop, not just a fleeting monthly subscription. They are built for life in your kitchen, not just a single post-pros. Nonstick Skillet 3-piece set 8-inch pan, 9.5-inch pan, 11-inch pan. Stay Cool handle. Easy clean coating. PFOA-free, induction safe, dishwasher safe. Cons: coating can degrade, may not last long, can scratch easily, not ideal for high heat, some say. Not truly nonstick. Dishwasher may shorten life, induction base could be thin, handle might get hot, uneven heating possible, quality can vary. Features: Nonstick Skillet 3-piece set 8-inch pan, 9.5-inch pan, 11-inch pan. Stay Cool handle. Easy clean coating. PFOA-free, induction safe, dishwasher safe. This Tieplis frying pan set has 3 nonstick pans in different sizes: 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch. They have handles that stay cool to the touch and a special coating that makes them easy to clean. These pans are made without PFOA, a harmful chemical. You can use them on all kinds of stoves, even induction ones. Plus, they are safe to wash in the dishwasher. This Tieplis frying pan set comes with 3 nonstick skillets in 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch sizes, all featuring Stay Cool handles and an easy-to-clean coating that is PFOA-free. These pans can be used on induction cooktops and are dishwasher safe, though the coating might wear down faster with dishwasher use. However, some users have noted that the nonstick quality might not be perfect. The pans could scratch easily, and they are not ideal for very high heat. There's also a chance of uneven heating. The handles might get hot, the induction base could be thin, and the overall quality may vary, so they might not last a very long time.